kids, my name is Teacher Celine and today we're gonna have fun learning together. Let's start our day with a fun song. Just follow Teacher Celine. The title of the song is Good Morning Song. Don't worry kids, it's really easy. Just follow Teacher Celine. Get ready. Good morning, and how do you do? Good morning, I'm fine, how are you? Good morning, and how do you do? Good morning, I'm fine, how are you? Yay! Our lesson for today is the letter C. Remember kids? Recognizing, knowing the sounds, and learning how to write the letters are the road to literacy. What letter is this? Very good! The letter C. And what is the sound of letter C? The sound is C. C. Can you do it on your own? What is the sound of C? C. C. Very good. This is the uppercase C or the mommy C. This one is the lowercase c or the baby C. Right? It is important to be familiar with the lines needed to form a letter. How do we write the uppercase C or the mommy C? How many lines do you see? Can we count? 1. Wow! Just 1. So how do we write the uppercase C or the mommy C? You just do a curved line. That's it! So easy, right? Mommy C. We are now done with the uppercase C or the mommy C. Next is the lowercase c or the baby C. How many lines do we need? Can we count? 1. Wow! Just 1 line. So how do we write the lowercase c or the baby C? You'll just do a curved line. That's it. Baby C. Really simple, right? Again, this is called alphabet. If you don't have this learning toy, we can do an art activity. Who's ready to paint? I'm so excited! For our art activity, I prepared cotton buds and colored paints. Let's start with red. Ta-da! Mommy C. Now let's do yellow. Ta-da! Baby C. So cute, right? Alphabet letter C and painting letter C. We are now ready to write our letter. Kids, get ready with your paper and pen. Let's start with Mommy C. How do we write Mommy C? A curved line. How about Baby C? Another curved line but smaller. So this time, it's your turn. How do we write the Mommy C? Very good! A curved line. How about the Baby C? Good job! The same, but smaller. Another curved line. Great job! Let's look at pictures of things around us that begin with the letter C. Camel. Camel. Carrots. Carrot. Cows. Cows. Cats. Castle. Castle. And camera. Camera. Very good! That's the end of our lesson for today. So I hope you enjoyed learning with Teacher Celine. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time, kids! Goodbye!